We go over the bridge. Sorry, under the bridge, over the bridge. It's so hot, I've lost it. I think I need to stop and have a beverage. But we will at the next place. The next friendly one. Lots of them think ignoring me because I'm a foreigner. But here we go. Right. God, it stinks. It just fucking stinks in here. It's like one big rubbish dump underneath. This must be rat infested galore at night. Let's see where we are. We've come out of the other side. Fixing their fridges. Right. Yeah. The policeman's gonna laugh. I have no idea where we are, where we're going. Let's go over here into the shade and we're going to stop for and see. We're supposed to be going to a market to buy a bag for this evening, so we're going to do some night stuff. But I don't want to bring my massive camera bag out. Oh, it's better. A bit cooler. See if anyone's got any water. Maybe this is the road we need to go down. Anyway, let's stop a minute. Let's re-evaluate where we are, where we're going, and we'll be back. Walk to the market, but look, come across this further up the line. Looks like it's a stall. It's really small. Just really well looked after. You're right. School. School. You learn? Good. Good. Keep it up. Oh, look, keep it there. I think we have to just keep walking on this railway track for now. I think they are going to get attached to the market. It's just one of the most interesting places. Considering we started off by Nana Plaza in the red light district, and we've been walking about an hour now. Done our 10,000 steps nearly. But it just gets more interesting the more we walk along these tracks. And it's what a way to explore. But I do need a bottle of water. Looks like they send some sort of market up here under. It's just amazing. Just amazing the way people live. They collect some bottles again. Oh, look at the fire. That's how they cook. It's just amazing. Car. I need water. Whew. This man's got cold water. Hello. Cold water, please. Yeah. No. Yeah.
อ๋อ
You're cold.
เป็นแบบ
Thank you.
ก็ต้องขยับรังโนชา
No, no, no. Hot later. Later. I know. Later. Later. Chang later. Chang best. National drink. I'll have later. Very good. I like Chang.
อร่อยมาก
How much? 10.
พี่หนูในกระป๋อง
Oh, I'll give that. We got.
thank you
Where's it go? Where's road? Just keep going.
มันไม่มีน้ำจิ้ม
I'll just keep going.
thank you
Yeah,
ที่มันมันยังจะกินได้อยู่หรอ มัน
อะไร
Thank you. Oh. Huh. Namfit water. Always check the seals. Oh, they're so friendly. You know, people live in a lot better conditions in England than this. £10 bottles of water, so that's 20p a bottle roughly. Right, we're going to continue walking slightly further, and then we're going to get back to my plans. We're about 2 hours late being where I wanted to be, because we discovered this. So we will carry on. That just makes it work. There's obviously they've all got little businesses, all water tank being installed. It looks like showers and stuff being installed. Amazing. Anyway, we'll carry on walking and we'll come back when we find something to show you. We are back at the railway track where it crosses this big junction. There seems to be a new station and it absolutely stinks of shit. So we're going to have a walk in. Let's have a look. Need to find a bin as well. It don't smell very nice round here. They're going to market then. This has been bin. Just gonna have a look. Look like in England. How cool is that? I think there are some trains. Could you both go from here? Where can we go? There's 15 minutes to Bangkok border. These are 6. That's it. Last train's gone at 1:25. Oh, there's some more up here. I think they're buses. I don't think there's any more. Oh, there's some more come up. This goes 1801 to 1815. This is obviously the newer track. We know they're upgrading one of the tracks. Look at this. This is your platform. And you've got to climb up onto the train when it arrives. It's probably not that disabled friendly. Here's the train times. The time is 1:30 from you missed the train. I'm guessing the next one's 3:25 and 1:17. So I don't think there's anywhere to go. Just shows you. So looks like we're here. You can go. That station office. Go and have a word with him. I don't know what time train is. Right, so you've got the old track that runs through there. Obviously there are trains that run on that. You've got this newer track here, and then right above it you've got the SkyTrain. This is sort of the modern versus the old. People are living here, look. I'm not going to pry. That's someone's house. Makkasan. Here we are, we're at Makkasan. That goes to Karontan and that goes to Bangkok. I thought we were in Bangkok. But anyway, I think I've had enough today of walking down train tracks. But this, I think we just need to say, we've got the old railway there, the more modern railway here, the motorway here, and the BTS SkyTrain now, and cars here. So literally all the forms of transport in Bangkok join together here. Look, and there's some homeless people living under the bridge. We're not going to film them, but we're just looking up at the sky, see if we can get oh, good man. Obviously they want money, but we're not in a position to start giving out money to the homeless. Well, look, we've got some decent tracks there and some trains. You can't get across to that depot. This just shows you the different ages. These old tracks were probably built over 100 years ago. It goes up the side. These modern ones in the last century. And of course, the BTS SkyTrain, which runs through the city. Absolutely amazing. And the other good thing is they built these little things on the corner, so they can always extend it. They're thinking where it could go next. Anyway, I think we'll leave it at that. But that's our railway walk for today. Very interesting, met lots of lovely people. Unfortunately, didn't want to get them all on camera due to privacy, and obviously they're in poverty. It is very sad to see, but I have to say they're the happiest people on the planet. You know, they're living here on a mattress under a railway bridge, but when it rains there's 2 foot of water and they're lying there smiling. What can you say? It makes you think how lucky, and people in England moan. So I'm going to leave that with you, and see you in the next one. Hopefully be a market.